Welcome to the Statistics Arcade. Prepare to level up your stats. This is Level 3, T-Test Research Questions and Hypotheses. In our last video, we asked which group is better at playing Centipede. Let's start this video by translating this informal question into a formal research question that could be examined with an independent measures t-test. Our t-test research question asks, is there a significant difference between the energy drink group and the water group on mean centipede scores? Notice a few things about a t-test research question. First, the question is set up with a yes-no response. There are no maybe or it depends answers allowed in a t-test question. Second, the t-test research question asks, is there a significant difference? An independent measures t-test will always test for a mean difference across groups. Third, the independent measures t-test question will always specify two mutually exclusive groups, a group A and a group B. Individual study participants are assigned to one and only one group. This is why we refer to it as an independent measures t-test. No double dipping allowed. Finally, notice that a t-test question asks about differences in a mean dependent variable. The dependent variable is the outcome of the study. In this example, it refers to mean centipede scores for each group. Once we've asked our research question, we can articulate predictions, which are referred to as hypotheses. There are two hypotheses for the t-test, the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. The null hypothesis for the independent measures t-test predicts no difference between groups. Remember that the word null means none or zero. So in our example, it predicts there is not a significant difference in mean centipede scores between the energy drink group and the water group. The null hypothesis is countered by the alternative hypothesis, which does predict some sort of difference between groups. There are two versions of the alternative hypothesis. The non-directional version does not predict which group is higher or lower on the dependent variable. It just predicts that there is a significant difference. In our example, it predicts there is a significant difference in mean centipede scores between the energy group and the water group. The directional version does specify that one group is significantly higher on the dependent measure relative to the other group. So, for example, a researcher may predict the energy drink group is significantly higher than the water group in mean centipede scores. Thanks for joining me. Make sure to watch the next video in the t-test series, where we will examine the assumptions of the independent measures t-test. If you enjoy Statistics Arcade, please like this video and subscribe. See you next time.